Hi all. I wanted to share my experience with you about getting your kids to like riding a bicycle. It's hell of a task, if you ask me. I've tried a number of things myself, and it is very frustrating failing to make them like it. So, in my opinion, you should start with having all the accessories and the safety kit, which I'm sure you all must be aware. It's a helmet, elbow and knee guards, and a wristband. So for the helmet, I would say try to have an idea about the correct size, else you will end up buying two of them, which exactly what happened to me. So try to go through these accessories with your kids and help them understand the importance of and use. So this video will take you through the demo of how to use them and what all the accessories are. Hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you. What is this? जोर से बोलो.
Helmet.
Very good. What is it used for?
Cycle helmet.
No, to protect your head when you're riding the cycle, right? And what is this? See? What is this? What is this? Very good. I like it, Raj.
I haven't put it. It's hot.
Now, what is this? It's a knee guard. Come here. How do we put it on? ये नीचे छोड़ दो. Leave it. It's okay. You are getting ready to ride your cycle. Isn't it, Tanj? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Very good. I'm happy that you're excited, Tanj. Now, even if you fall while riding the cycle, so you don't have to worry, right? Is that okay? Now, come here. Let me check the size. So,
पापा मेरी नी पे लगती है. मेरी नी पे.
put out. ओके बेटू सुनो, ये देखो. अब आप ऐसे करो, फोल्ड करके बैठो नीचे जैसे पापा बैठे ऑन द साइकिल. शो मी दिस. शो मी. डू दिस. डू दिस वंस. डू दिस वन with your hand. Do it. Do it. चलो वहाँ पैडल.